Men are really attractive naturally because we don't put on some makeup like women do. Facial attractiveness is different from physical and mental attractiveness. Let me tell you one thing. Women do love facial and physical attractiveness, but the real truth is women prefer mental characteristics very much over physical and facial features. Most men are physically very attractive, but why are most good-looking men not good with women? Why are most physically attractive men single? Why do women fall for an average guy? We come across most couples every day where the girl is absolutely stunning, whereas the dude is an average guy. Do you have an answer for this? Well, I have one. It all comes down to mental characteristics that women find seductively attractive. An above average styling and an awesome character is what women get seduced for. Well, today in this video, I'm going to tell you 2 characteristic features that women absolutely love in men. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Never be judgmental. A man's character can be analyzed based on how he treats and speaks about others when they are not around. A person who speaks bad about other people with others is the person you need to avoid talking to at any cost. A very attractive, high-quality man never judges others for their mistakes. He never feels jealous for what others have and do. A very high-value man always supports others, even if they did bad for him in the past. The thing is, he supports the truth, but he doesn't act based on previous emotions. He values others' opinions and respects them. Yes, he doesn't agree to any opinion imposed over him, but he follows a few when he feels it to be an important one. Most men do verbally abuse others, and that's a real bad thing. Only a few men know the importance of values and truly follow them. Women love to be with such men. The respect they have for others and the way they treat is really important. Yes, we have seen quite a few movies where actors get violent and abusive, and that's limited to movies. Just movies. In actuality, women love men who respect others. Number 2. Self-validation is really sexy. Self-validation is not only sexy, it's important as well. Self-validation means giving importance to self and validation based on what you think will make you happy, rather than others validating you. If you don't seek validation from others to make yourself happy, then you are on the right path, my friend. Because a person needs to understand that others ain't gonna make this life happy, but yourself. A man who has this power can stay happy all the time, and women love such men because they have got everything they want by their will and wish. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.